afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to my channel. This afternoon, I'm going to share to you how you will write the procedure of this study in your research proposal. Okay? So you please watch this video so that you can get the needed information in order for you to become successful in writing this particular section. Okay. Now, in writing the procedure of this study, the very first thing that you will consider is the Gantt chart of activities. The Gantt chart of activities is actually a table of the activities which will include the time frame when a particular activity in the table will be accomplished. However, in the procedure of this study, you also need to consider the activities which you will undertake in the conduct of this study. There are some students who include the writing of chapter 1, the defense of chapter 1 to 3, something like that. These are not anymore included. Just focus on the conduct of this study. And in most cases, the subject of, or the procedure of the study includes activities. And these are also reflected in the Gantt chart of activities which will be appended in your thesis proposal. So sometimes we include the gathering of permit or the getting of permit from an institution, which is actually an observance of protocol. Then it is followed with the development and validation of the instrument, and you need to specify who will validate, who will develop the instrument, who will finalize the instrument, what are the necessary protocols or procedures in the development and validation of the instrument. And another thing is, of course, how many days will it take for you to develop and validate the instrument. Then the next is the administration and retrieval of the instrument. In this particular aspect, you need to consider who will administer. Will you be hiring an enumerator to gather data? Will you be hiring interviewer in order to get data or to administer the research instrument? How many? And how many days, weeks, or months will it take for you to administer and retrieve the research instrument? Okay? Then after the administration and retrieval of the instrument, if you will gather another sets of data aside from the data which will be elicited from the instrument, please include in your discussion of the procedure of this study. Upon discussing the administration and the retrieval of the instrument, you will now discuss the processing of data. This will include tabulation, statistical computation of data. And the next is analysis and interpretation of data. And of course, the last one is the writing of the manuscript. All of these things, all of these activities will be discussed in your procedure of the study. And of course, the outline form is presented in the Gantt chart of activities. Okay? I hope you get some information, if not all, about how to write the procedure of this study. Thank you very much, and